don't want to snap the line, no. It's a fairly... Quite fairly, moving the end of it. I wonder if it's been snagged.
How do you know it's a fish?
Well, it was earlier.
Is it still going?
Yeah, might be a Dewey.
Oh, it could be too.
Jewfish, they
What's a jewfish?
could be quite big fish.
Yeah.
They're lovely to eat. It's a look.
Can you
But
crumb
they
them?
pull the rod, try and pull you with it.
Ah. What happens if it's a little brim?
God, it's not going to be a little brim, I don't think. John, might be a big stick.
It could be. You never know what's underneath the water, do you?
No, not in this muddy water.
It could be a shark. Look at it.
Yeah, no, it's just pulling away.
It's gonna bust the line.
Almost.
Just hop back just in case it jumps out of the water and gets someone.
Eats your phone.
No, it'll eat a cane toad so I can smell it coming out.
Maybe we should put a cane toad on the end, John.
Yeah, probably.